Problems to draw the graphs of the linear equation. Yesterday we discussed. Now today a verbal statement is given. Again we are going to discuss verbal statement is given. For that we have to derive the linear equation and then we have to draw the graph for that linear equation. What is given now? Razia and Preeti. Razia and Preeti of two students of class 9th together collected 1000 rupees for Prime Minister Relief Fund for victims of natural calamities. Write a linear equation and draw a graph to depict the statement. How much Razia collected we don't know. How much Preeti collected we don't know. But both together collected how much amount? 1000 rupees. So Preeti plus Razia is nothing but 1000 rupees. So Preeti how much collected? We don't know. Razia how much collected? We don't know. So write unknown quantities is represented by either x or y, na?
Yes.
Here two quantities we don't know. One is assumed as x, another one is assumed as
Y.
y. Now write let Razia collected amount is, do you know? So x rupees. X
Rupees.
now Preeti collected how much? Preeti collected, that is also we don't know. Preeti collected amount is y rupees. Both Razia and Preeti both collected how much? Together collected is equals to or is collected is how much? Razia x. How much Preeti? Y. The total is 1000 rupees. The total is 1000. Okay na? Now you are getting the linear equation in two variables. In two variables we are getting a linear equation. For this we have to write the graph. We have to draw the graph. To draw the graph, what is given? X plus y is equals to 1000. Yes, na? Now if x is equals to 0, if x is equals to 0, what will happen? 0 plus y is equals to 1000. Okay na? Next, y is equals to 1000. 0 plus y is nothing but 0, doesn't have any value. So 0 plus any number again here remains same number. So y is equals to 1000. Here xy, that means 0 and 1000. 0 and 1000. If y is equals to 0, if y is equals to 0, now what will happen? X plus 0, that is equals to 1000. So x is equals to 1000. Okay, no? Is it clear or not? That means 1000, 0. First we have to write x in order by. Yes, no? So x is equals to 0, y is 1000. If y is 0, x is 1000. So we are getting two order pairs, 0 and 1000, 1000 and 0. Yes or no? Now next, take a graph sheet and draw two perpendicular lines. Okay, no? Two perpendicular lines. Horizontal line is denoted by x and vertical line is denoted by y. Okay, no? Now in the middle where they both are intersecting, that is nothing but origin. In generally 1, 2, 3, but here large numbers we have. Okay, na? In the graph sheet 1000 columns are not there. Yes, na? So mostly 20 or 28 columns will be getting. That means 28 numbers in the right hand side, individuals. So that's why you have to take the 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter we should take as either 100 or 200. 100. 100 or 200. Okay now. Now I have less place, that's why I am taking 200. Before going to take like that, you have to mention the scale. You have to write the scale. On x-axis, how much we are taking? 1 centimeter is taken as 200 rupees. I am taking as 200. On y-axis also I am taking 200. And y-axis also
Taking
1 centimeter is equals to 200. Okay. Now right. First one is 200. Next one is 400. 6, 8,000. That's right. This is 200. It is 400, 600, 800, 1,000. Next here 200, 400, 600, 800, and next to 1,000. Okay, na? First, order base of what na? 0, 1,000. 0, 1,000. On y-axis x value is 0. So 0,000 में क्या करेंगे? Okay ना? Next, 1,000 0. Y coordinate is 0 on x-axis. Just now join this 2 by using a scale. This is nothing but x plus y is equals to 1,000. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay na? If it is 800, x is 800, what is the y value? 200. Where it touches? Let's see. That's right? If x is 800, y value becomes 200. That means if Razia collected 800, Preeti collected 200. If Razia collected 600, what will happen? Preeti will collected 400. Yes or no? From the straight line we are getting, by using the linear equation we may find a different solution from the graph sheet only. Without simplification, from the graph sheet we may find the different values for either x or y. Suppose x is equals to y is equals to 600 given. So what is the value of x? Where it touches? 400. Yes, ma'am.
800.
If x is, that means if y value is 600 given, from the graph find x value. Y is 600. If y is 800, then it is 200. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Previous problem also asked like that only. Find the x coordinate if y is equals to given. Find the x coordinate if y is equals to some number is given. So from that number until touch the graph sheet, we have to make a line and then go to the what you required, either x or y. If x required, come to x axis. Y required, come to y axis. Is it clear now? What next? Gopaya sowed wheat and paddy in 2 fields of total area 5,000 square meters. Write a linear equation and draw a graph to represent the same. We don't know here. Gopaya is a farmer. He sowed some crops. One is wheat and paddy. He sowed 2 types of crops. One is wheat and another one is paddy. In how much area? 5,000 square meters area. 5,000 square meters area. Okay now? That means here how much wheat sowed or how much paddy sowed we don't know. So in the same way like this one only. Okay now? Gopaya sowed wheat. Okay now? Area sowed wheat is x square units. Okay now? Gopaya sowed area of paddy. That is y. So total area is given 5,000. So x plus y is equals to 5,000. X plus y is equals to 5,000. So in this graph, scale will be taken as either 1,000 or 500 or 2,000 as you wish, as per your convenient. As per your convenient. If 1,000 taken is 1,000, 2,000, 2,000 like that we are getting. If 500 taken is 500, 1,000, 1,500 like that we are getting. Okay na? As per your convenience, how much graph you are available. Okay na? Graph sheet, how much you are available. According to that, take the scale as your wish or as your convenient. Next, ninth one. The force applied on a body of mass 6 kg is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write an equation to express this observation and draw the graph of the equation. In physics, we have a formula: force F is equals to ma. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. F is equals to ma. We have a formula. Okay, now according to that, here force is equals to ma. Here ma is given. Ma value is how much? Mass. Mass is nothing but your weight. Weight is how much? 6 kg. So F is equals to 6a we are getting. F is equals to 6a. Okay, now in place of x, a take; in place of y, f take. Same. If a is equals to 0, f becomes 0. F becomes 0. That's why don't take 0, 0. Like in first problem, y is equals to mx formation it is. If a is equals to 1, it becomes f is 6. If a is 2, f is 12. A is 3. For a value only, we have to take different values. We should take the different values for a only. First, a is equals to 1 take. F becomes 6. Order pair will be 1 and 6. 1 and 6. If a is equals to 2 take, F becomes 12. 2 and 12. 2 and 12. For that, you have to draw the graph. On x-axis, we should take a values. Acceleration taken along the x-axis. Force is taken along the y-axis. Okay, now here what is taken on which axis? After the table we have to write. For the ninth one. For ninth problem you have to write after the table. On x-axis I have taken acceleration A. And on y-axis we taken force F. Force F. And then proceed. Next, 10th one. A stone is falling from a mountain. The velocity of stone is given by v is equals to 9.8 t. Already equation is given. V is equals to 9.8 into t. Draw its graph and find the velocity of the stone 4 seconds after starts. Okay, now first draw the graph by using v is equals to 9.8 t. V is equals to 9.8 t. That means 9.8 into t. If t is 1, v becomes 9.8. If t is 2, v becomes 19.6. By using the 2, we may draw the graph. T is equals to 4. What it becomes? 37.2. 37.2 we are getting. Okay, now from the graph you may find out. Okay, now this exercise is completed. Tomorrow we will discuss another problems.